Alright, so I picked up this '04 Escalade, Cadillac Escalade, and decided after I started stripping it that maybe I'll make a little video of what I'm going to do. This truck, this 75 Ford 1-ton F350, I'm thinking about marrying on to the chassis of this 6-liter all-wheel drive Escalade. I won't be using the dump box. Probably find an old box to put on it, maybe a step side or something, but yeah, I think it'll be a cool old project. This old farm truck's been sitting for years. I figured I'd bring it back to life a little bit, even if it had a transplanted chassis, I guess. Yeah, so I've already started stripping this. It runs pretty good. It's a high mileage Escalade, but it's rusty, but it does run well. So this is what I'm gonna do, make a little series of maybe putting these two together and seeing how it works out.